guess where are we going?
Ice cream!
Yay! Are you excited?
Yes!
Let's go!
Hey guys, we're at Flashpoint to make ice cream.
Yay! Let's go!
Got you! And Bibi and Snorlax. I
Yeah!
remember seeing the Snorlax and Pikachu that video. That
Which
one,
video?
The giant one, you remember?
Oh,
The
yeah!
big one, the Pikachu used the electricity. He's fine.
Wow, Abang, what are you making? Ice cream. What did you put in there?
Lotus.
Lotus? No, but what is this white thing?
I don't know.
It's
cream.
cream and
I don't know.
condensed milk. Oh,
I
you
put on my lotus. I put the condensed milk on my lotus.
That's right. Okay, now you gotta chop it up with the spatula. Chop, 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 chop.
So, Abang, you need to tell your viewers how is the ice cream made? What is down here? What's underneath?
Fried ice.
Dry ice. And the dry ice will turn the cream into
Ice cream.
ice cream.
Plus ice cream. Plus ice cream. Plus ice
Okay,
cream.
how do you feel this spot? Is that looking good or do you want to
No.
a bit more than you can
Wow, can you show me your ice cream? Wow, that looks so good. Okay, taste test.
No.
You like it? How many stars do you want to give?
100.
100! Wow! Alright, let's enjoy your ice cream. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
You want the ice cream